Hello, welcome back. I hope everybody is doing well. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a reveal of my brand new excuse me, pre-loved Balenciaga triangle bag. This is in this size small or extra small, I want to say. As you saw in the unboxing, it came packaged okay, like with Vestiaire Collective, everything comes okay, like, I don't know, but it is what it is. And I haven't taken off the tag because I am a little, I don't know how to say it. I was a little underwhelmed with my unboxing because, like in the photos, it wasn't so bad, but on the corners, the corner wear um, is a little rubbed, like in the corners, like you can see rubbing, and I don't know if that's something that I can fix or like have conditioned or anything, but it's just really like kind of worn down on the sides. I'll insert photos so you guys can see what I'm talking about, but yeah, I'm not like 100% on this bag. I think it might be the size too. I really wanted it because I like the chain strap that it comes with compared to just the all leather strap that the bigger one comes with. And now I'm thinking I should have went with the bigger size. And because I absolutely love the way it looks with the chain strap, but I just wish it was in the bigger size. And the bigger size doesn't come with the chain strap, so I'm a little like, what do I do? But I haven't taken off the tags yet because I don't know if I'm going to keep this piece or not. I absolutely love the color. This is the color that I wanted and I've been looking for. And there's maybe one or two pieces on Vestiaire Collective right now in the bigger size in this color. And they're in really good condition, but the prices are a little high for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and wait. After I unboxed it and I took out the chain, I kind of know why the edging is a little iffy. It comes with this really nice chain. It is pretty heavy, and it does have like the city bags, like that kind of like clasp. I don't know if you can see that, but like this kind of clasp thing. And I'll go ahead and clasp it onto the bag so you can see what that looks like. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, these are really heavy duty little clasp things because what you it's a little difficult to push them and to get them on. And once they're on, they're pretty secure, which is a good thing, but it is a little bit of a pain. So here's this one. I'm gonna go ahead and do this one on camera. Let's see. The other one I was having trouble with, and this one I might have trouble with too. Okay, I got it on. So this is what it looks like with the chain strap on. And if you are holding this top handle, which a lot of times I do like to carry my bag's top handle, I'm not gonna lie, it does rub on the leather, like especially in the front where I'm seeing this corner having wear. Yeah, this chain does rub on the corners and actually over here too. And I noticed, like, I'm pretty sure whoever had this before carried it like maybe like this. And you can see that rubbing that this chain has caused. And I will say that this chain is heavy. Like, this is a heavy chain. Like, I love it, but it is a heavy chain. And what I absolutely love is that it's also a chain, but it also has this leather piece, which makes it a little bit more like relaxed on your shoulder, and it's not like digging in. So I absolutely love this like leather piece, and this is what I actually really wanted. I mean, I wanted the bag, but I like the fact that it came like this with this leather piece because I do like chain straps, and I believe that it is the chain that caused the corner wear. Because on the bottom it's not so bad, but on the sides it's not bad, but I mean, it's the first thing I noticed when it arrived, and that it has some like, not scratches, but like, I don't know if you can see that, but I mean, it's not beat up or anything, but I don't know. I was a little underwhelmed with the bag, and I'll show you the interior. The interior is a little, I don't want to say beat up, but you can tell it was used. I mean, you can tell it's been used. And I mean, I love the bag. I love it. It's just, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that corner wear, and if there's anything that I can do. I love it. I love it. Maybe that's a strong word. I like it a lot. I'm just not too sure about it. I love the color, love the chain, love the shape. And with Prada's new triangle bag as well coming out, I'm pretty sure these are gonna go up like everything else. So I don't know if I should get rid of this, if I'm gonna regret it. I don't know. I shall see, and I'll keep you guys updated, definitely. I'm gonna go ahead and fill this up. I took off the chain just because that rubbing like on the corners was beginning to bother me. And as soon as I took off the chain, this bag became super light, like super light. That chain is very hefty. But we're gonna go ahead and fill this up. And I switched into my Louis Vuitton Clay and the Damier Grab Feet. This one just houses my cards, cash, and coins. Fits in, no problem. My iPhone XS. I normally don't put my phone into my bag, but I'm definitely gonna show how it looks in this one. I have my Kleenex and my lip product, which is the NARS lip stain. Fits in, no worries. And in this back zip pocket, I'm gonna be putting my eye drops, blotting powder, and some glass, like eyeglass wipes. So those fit comfortably in the back. I'm also going to be putting in nausea medicine and headache medicine into the little back pocket. And I'll go ahead and zip that up. I mean, I could definitely use the card slot to put my credit cards, but with the clay, it works out really well. So I'm going to go ahead and leave that inside there. I have more than enough room for my Gold Bond hand cream and my hand sanitizer with the case. Put those there. And I have my KN95 mask. Fit comfortably right there. Again, everything zips up, no problem. I love the fact that these have the double zippers on them. Like a lot of the Balenciaga products have the double zippers. Yeah. But definitely when I took the chain strap off, this bag still is pretty light. Okay, so I put this chain strap back on. Again, I like to carry my bag's top handle, but now that I'm seeing that it rubs the corners, I don't know if I would be wearing this top handle. And that was my unboxing and reveal of my brand new, to me, Balenciaga triangle bag in this beautiful cobalt blue. Again, I will keep everybody updated on what I decide to do or what happens with this, but I don't know. I'll probably end up keeping it, but I don't know. I don't know. But we'll see what happens. Definitely follow me on Instagram. I post a lot in my stories, so definitely go over there and check that out. But I hope everybody enjoyed the video. I hope everybody is safe, everybody is happy, and everybody is well. And until next time, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.